Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into surpass. 13 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Surpass, which means exceed. Number 1. Outstrip, which means exceed. Outstrip. For example, supply far outstripped demand. Number 2. Overshadow, which means be more impressive or successful than another person. Overshadow. For example, he was always overshadowed by his brilliant elder brother. Number 3. Outshine, which means be much better than someone in a particular area. Outshine. For example, a single large houseplant can outshine any number of ornaments. Number 4. Top, which means exceed an amount, level, or number. Top. For example, sales are expected to top £1.3 billion. Number 5. Exceed, which means be better than. Exceed. For example, Brazil far exceeds America in available fertile land. Number 6. Trump, which means surpass something by saying or doing something better. Trump. For example, if the fetus is human life, that trumps any argument about the freedom of the mother. Number 7. Cap, which means follow or reply to a story, remark, or joke by producing a better one. Cap. For example, he prayed no wit would cap his remark with some repartee. Number 8. Eclipse, which means deprive someone or something of significance or power. Eclipse. For example, the economy has eclipsed the environment as the main issue. Number 9. Outdo, which means be superior to in action or performance. Outdo. For example, rich families tried to outdo each other when banquets were held. Number 10. Transcend, which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, he doubts that he will ever transcend Shakespeare. Number 11. Excel, which means be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Excel. For example, She excelled him in her command of the language. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.